If you be last born, you go understand this thing. Because sometimes it be like say you no get right for your own life.
You wake up, everybody don already decide wetin you go do.
Last born, go buy bread now and fetch water too, sharp sharp, then off the light for parlor.
Now you be house remote.
If food finish, now you them go blame. Even when you never chop, them go say, now you chop and finish, we know you. Your cloth no be your own, your slippers, your charger, even your bed self. Everything na family property. If you talk, them go say you dey rude. If you quiet, them go say you get attitude. Last born no fit win. But the worst part, nobody dey really take you serious, even when your mind full. You dey laugh outside, but inside. Oya tell me, you be last born?